construction on Route 80, Northeast Pennsylvania. It's a major interstate highway that goes through Pennsylvania from New Jersey to basically to California. Okay, so new construction. I watched these pillars go up. I made a video last, I don't know, 5 months ago, and those pillars were cement pillars were just skeletons. So that's pretty cool how far they come along here. And when I drive past, the decking's not quite blacktopped, but so that's one part of the phase. I guess I don't know what they're going to do, but so it's moving along. The economy's going along here. That's the Lehigh River. That's my dog being bad.